Cenozai's BOM module makes it easy for you to quickly extract critical parts information from PDFs and images to create your bill of materials. Once you've selected and sent your files to Cenozai's AI for processing, it's time to review the parts tables that our system has identified. Go to Step 2 and click Start. For each document, you can scroll through and check the tables the system has identified. If it's a table you want to extract, click Accept. It will turn green, indicating that Cenozai's AI is automatically extracting its contents. You will be able to review extracted tables in Step 3. The bounding boxes can be adjusted to capture more or less of a table as needed. If the table is not needed, you can remove it entirely. Don't worry if you accidentally remove a table. Simply click Undo, or use the manual capture tool to grab the table. You can also use this tool if the AI has missed a table. It is not necessary to remove all unneeded tables. Only green tables will be extracted. Once you've finished reviewing a document, you can mark it as complete, so that other team members working on the same project know that they don't need to review that document. When you've finished with this table validation step, you are ready to proceed to Step 3, reviewing the extracted information.